Hello my dear students. Today I am discussing about pie chart that comes under the syllabus of class 8 maths NCERT. So in today's video I will explain how we can construct a pie chart. But before understanding the procedure of constructing, we should know what is a pie chart. A pie chart is a pictorial representation of data relative to a whole, where each portion in the circle represent an element of the collected data. So what have you understood from this definition? Means what? A pie chart, in earlier videos we have learned what is a histogram, what is a bar graph, all these things. Okay. So pie chart is also a type of pictorial representation where we represent the entire data in terms of a circle, and the different elements of the data are being represented in different sectors of that particular circle. So in order to understand the procedure, I am taking a question. The question is, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Here see what is the data. Here the colors are given and the number of people. So blue color is being preferred by 18 people, green is being preferred by 9, red is being preferred by 6, yellow is being preferred by 3 people. Okay, now we have to construct the pie chart. Before we start constructing the pie chart, we should know some facts about a pie chart. See, since we are representing the pie chart in terms of a circle, so we know that in a circle the total angle is 360 degree. Means the central angle of a circle is 360 degree. Okay. So here first we have to find out the central angle. Means suppose out of see, the total number of people is 36, isn't it? Total number of people is 36. So out of 36, how many people like blue color? 18. So we need to find out what will be the portion of the circle that will be represented by blue. Okay. So in order to understand that, we have to find out the central angle for each of the element. There are 4 elements here: blue, green, red, yellow. Okay. So for each element we have to find out the central angle. Now how to find out the central angle? The formula for finding out the central angle is value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. Got it? Value of the component by total value into 360 degree. So here the first component is blue, isn't it? So here for blue color we have to find out the central angle. So what will be the central angle for blue? Number of people, means the value of the component. Okay, that is 18 divided by total value. Total value means sum of all this. So it is coming out to be 36. So 18 divided by 36 into 360 degree. So like this we have to find out the measure of central angle for each of the components. Okay, for blue it is 180 degree. If you apply this formula, see, 18 divided by 36 into 360. Okay, 18 by 36 means 1 by 2. 2 in 2, then 360 by 2, that is 180 degrees. Just like this, we have to find out the central angle for all these components. Okay, so we got it. So for blue it was 180 degree, for green it is 90 degree, for red it is 60 degree, and for yellow it came out to be 30 degree. Now in order to check that whether your calculation is correct or not, you can do one thing. After finding out the measure of central angle for each of the components, you just add all this. Okay, all this central angle should be added and it should sum up to 360 degree only, because 360 degree is the total angle that is there in the circle. Okay, the central angle total measure will be 360 degree. So add it up, 0, 9836. Okay, it came out to be 360 degree. Okay, now the procedure starts how to construct the pie chart. After getting the measure of central angle for each of the components, here is the procedure. Okay, first what will you do? With the help of a compass, you will draw a circle. Okay, So you have drawn a circle. After drawing the circle, see, these are the different measures, isn't it? 30, 60, 90, 180. Since 180 is a straight angle, so it will just represent a straight line. So I'm going to start with that one, 30 degree. Okay. So first, after preparing the circle, you are having the circle there. Draw one radius. Means what is a radius? You are joining the center of the circle to a point on the circle with a line segment. That one is radius. So keeping it here, considering this to be the base, you know how to draw an angle of measure 30 degree with the help of protractor. So after drawing 30 degree, again you keep the protractor here, make an angle of 60 degree. Okay, now here we are getting 30 degree, 60 degree. Then similarly, 180 degree is a straight line. You can have this 180 degree. Then the remaining part will be left as 90 degree. Okay, now see, these are the different parts, different components. Okay, since the here the information has been given about the colors, so I have preferred using the colors for the different components. So 180 degree is the measure of central angle that is being given for blue colors. That's why I have colored it blue. Similarly for red, I have colored it with red, here yellow, and here green. Okay, so it's your wish whether if you are not having this at the time of exam, you may not use these colors, so you can give different with pencil only. You can give different symbols to different part if you wish. Okay, so I have used like this, and then I have given one information also here, like this is the blue color, this is green, this is red, and this is yellow. And one more thing very important is that, see, while you draw the pictograph or the pie chart, just above it you have to give the heading. Okay, so here I have written pie chart showing the colors preferred by a group of people. So you have to prepare your pie chart in this manner. Okay, thank you.